Looking for the perfect family SUV that combines style, space, and cutting-edge features? 2025 is set to bring some of the best family SUVs ever, from advanced tech to unbeatable comfort. These upcoming models are worth the wait. Which one will be your family's next dream ride? Let's explore the future of family SUVs. Number 1. The 2025 Kia Sorento. Stylish and practical. A mid-size SUV that meets every family's needs. With a sleek design, a choice of two powerful engines, 191 horsepower or a turbocharged 281 horsepower, and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Sorento ensures a smooth ride every time. Fuel economy is amazing. The base engine is rated at 23 mpg city and 31 mpg highway, while the turbo variant achieves 20 mpg in the city and 29 mpg on the highway. Inside, the Sorento boasts a well-built interior with ambient lighting and optional captain's chairs for the second row. It's all about comfort and convenience. Ambient lighting, optional captain's chairs, and a 12-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto make family trips a breeze. And with advanced driver features, safety is a priority. Plus, the Sorento's rugged X Pro trim offers off-road capabilities with all-terrain tires and a locking center differential. Starting at $32,000, it's an affordable, versatile SUV for families on the go. Why it's the best? The Sorento balances functionality and affordability while offering upscale features that are rare in this price range. Do you think the Kia Sorento's tech and affordability make it a top contender for your family? Let us know below. Number 2. The 2025 Nissan Armada. Bold and spacious. Next up, a full-size SUV designed for power and luxury. Its 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine cranks out 425 horsepower, making it ideal for towing up to 8,500 pounds. Perfect for families with trailers or boats. The third-generation Nissan Armada emerges as a formidable full-size SUV. The redesigned interior feels like a premium lounge, featuring soft-touch materials, leather seating, and a 14-inch dual-display infotainment system. With excellent third-row access and ample cargo space, it's perfect for larger families. Starting at $60,000, the Armada offers luxury at a competitive price. The Armada stands out for its towing power and premium interior, making it ideal for families who need space and performance. Number 3. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Rugged Adventurer. For families craving adventure, the 4Runner is your best bet. Built on the same platform as the 2025 Tacoma, it's equipped with a 278 horsepower, turbocharged 2.4-liter engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Both rear-wheel drive and an optional full-time 4-wheel drive system are available. The new 4Runner retains its iconic roll-down rear window and rugged aesthetics, while incorporating advanced tech features. The hybrid system boasts 326 horsepower, adds eco-friendly power to its rugged capabilities. Standard features include an 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Want to take it up a notch? Optional features like a 14-inch display and advanced off-road tools such as locking differentials make it a trailblazer. With a starting price of $43,000, the 4Runner offers versatility for both families and adventurers. It combines Toyota's legendary reliability with rugged off-road prowess and modern tech, making it perfect for families that love the outdoors. Number 4. The 2025 Lexus GX 550. Luxury meets toughness. Want luxury without sacrificing capability? Meet the 2025 Lexus GX 550. This SUV blends ruggedness with sophistication, featuring a powerful 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine and a best-in-class towing capacity of 9,000 pounds. Inside, it's all premium. A 14-inch infotainment touchscreen, wireless charging, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof. Starting at $65K, the GX 550 delivers a perfect mix of off-road toughness and upscale living. It's the ultimate luxury SUV for adventurous families who refuse to compromise on style or performance. Number 5. The 2025 Kia Telluride, family favorite. The Telluride continues to dominate the mid-size SUV segment, powered by a 3.8-liter V6 engine, delivering 291 horsepower. It offers a roomy interior with seating for up to 8. With advanced features like a 12-inch infotainment display, keyless entry, and a Wi-Fi hotspot, the Telluride is built for modern families. The Rugged X Pro trim increases towing capacity to 5,500 pounds and adds off-road capability. Starting at $38,000, it remains a top choice for families looking for comfort and practicality. The Telluride's blend of space, tech, and reliability make it a family favorite. Number 6. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade, iconic luxury. The Escalade redefines luxury in the full-size SUV segment. Its 6.2-liter V8 engine delivers 420 horsepower and a towing capacity of over 6,000 pounds. Starting at $85,000, the Escalade combines power, luxury, and innovation like no other SUV. Number 7. The 2025 Jeep Wagoneer S, fully electric pioneer. Looking for an electric option? The 2025 Jeep Wagoneer S is here to impress. With a 600 horsepower motor and a range of 325 miles. Starting at $71,000, this electric SUV combines Jeep's rugged heritage with modern innovation. Number 8. The 2025 Volvo EX90, the electric luxury SUV. The EX90 is a fully electric SUV with two variants, a 408 horsepower base model and a 517 horsepower ultra model with a range of 308 miles. Starting at $80,000, the EX90 combines Volvo's safety features with luxury and sustainability. Number 9. 2025 Volkswagen Taos. For compact SUV fans, the Taos is your go-to for 2025. It now features a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine with 174 horsepower. With a fresh exterior design and a revamped interior, the SUV blends style and practicality. Fuel efficiency is stellar, and its starting price of $25,000 makes it budget-friendly for families. Number 10. The 2025 Mazda CX-90. Mazda lovers rejoice! The 2025 CX-90 replaces the beloved CX-9 with a bold new design. It comes with a 3.3-liter inline-6 engine, a 48-volt hybrid system, and up to 340 horsepower. Prices start at $39,000, making it a premium option for families. Number 11. The 2025 Lincoln Navigator. Let's discuss the Lincoln Navigator. This SUV screams luxury with its gloss black grille, 444 horsepower V6 engine, and 8,700 pound towing capacity. Starting at $95,000, it's a premium choice for families who want the best of everything. Number 12. The 2025 Ford Expedition, the ultimate family hauler. a full-size SUV that combines power, space, and modern amenities. Under the hood, it boasts a robust 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque, ensuring you have the muscle needed for any journey. Inside, the Expedition is equipped with Ford's latest Sync infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen interface, seamless smartphone integration, and a premium audio system. Safety is paramount, with Ford Co-Pilot 360 technology offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. The 2025 Ford Expedition ensures a comfortable and secure ride for the entire family. So there you have it, the most exciting family SUVs coming in 2025. From rugged off-road warriors to luxury electric cruisers, these SUVs cater to every family's needs. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive insights. Happy driving!